What if I told you I make money while I sleep? No hustle, no late nights, no boss texting me at midnight. Just systems, AI tools, and automation running quietly while I dream. But it wasn't always like this. A year ago, I was like everyone else, tired, stressed, and chasing deadlines. Then one night, I discovered something that changed everything. AI could work for me, even when I wasn't working. Every day felt the same. Wake up, work, sleep, repeat. No matter how hard I worked, my income never grew. I wanted freedom, but I was stuck, trading time for money. Then I stumbled upon AI, not just as a tool for fun, but as a machine that could work like a team of employees. I learned to use ChatGPT for content writing, Midjourney for visuals, and Notion AI for workflow automation. Each AI tool became part of my system. It was like building a digital team, one that never sleeps, never complains, and never takes a day off. I started simple. AI wrote the script, another AI generated the visuals, a third AI created the voice and edited the video. Soon, I had a complete content system running without me touching a thing. While I slept, my videos were uploaded, optimized, and even monetized. It felt surreal, but it was real. Then, one morning, I woke up and checked my dashboard. There it was, my first AI-generated payment. Not much, $47, but it was proof that my system worked while I slept. From there, I scaled up. I made templates, refined my prompts, and automated every step until my system earned over $10,000 per month, all powered by AI. Now, I don't chase money. I build systems that chase opportunities. AI became my silent business partner, one that doesn't sleep, doesn't quit, and doesn't need motivation. I spend my days creating, traveling, and learning, while my AI continues to work. That's what true digital freedom looks like. So if you're watching this right now, stop trading time for money. Start learning how to use AI. Because 1 year from now, you'll either be using AI to make money or replaced by someone who does. Subscribe for more stories like this, where AI meets money and imagination becomes income.